Let us start exercise 5.3 of NCERT. Before that, let us discuss the introduction part. So, in this exercise, we will be solving quadratic equations. We have done this topic in class 10th also, but when we solved quadratic equations and we got discriminant less than 0, we used to say that it has got known real roots and we would have left it at that, right? But now that we know about complex numbers, we will write those known real roots or imaginary roots in terms of iota, right? This is what we are going to do in this chapter. For example, when we had this quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c belong to real numbers, we used to say the solution of this quadratic equation are minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a, right? And if b square minus 4ac is negative, then we used to say that it has got known real roots. But now we will write those known real roots. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then we will write these roots as x equal to minus b plus minus square root of 4ac minus b squared, and then we will take iota outside divided by 2a. What I mean is, if I have got, let us say, negative inside this radical, for example b square minus 4ac, if it is minus 3, then I'll write it as plus 3 inside, and then I'll take minus 1 square root outside, that is iota here. So b square minus 4ac, if it is negative, then I'll write it as 4ac minus b square and then take iota outside. So let's do these questions. You'll be clear about this because we have studied about quadratic equation in class 10th. So we should be very comfortable in this chapter because we will be applying quadratic formula most of the times, which is minus b plus minus square root of the discriminant divided by 2a. Okay, in this we don't have to apply this formula also because I can simply write x square equal to minus 2. So x will be equal to plus minus square root of negative 2, hence it will be equal to plus minus square root of 2 iota. So these are my solutions. Now look at this one. Here if you see, discriminant is b squared, that is 1 squared, minus 4a into c. So it is 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. So discriminant is less than 0. Hence the roots will be known real roots. And what will be the roots? X equal to minus b, that is minus 1, plus minus square root of discriminant, that is minus 3, divided by 2 into a, that is coefficient of x square, which is 1. So it will be equal to minus 1 plus minus root 3 iota divided by 2. Right? If you want to write these roots separately, these will be minus 1 minus root 3 iota by 2 minus 1 plus root 3 iota by 2. Root 5 x square plus x plus root 5 equal to 0. So x will be equal to minus b, that is minus 1, plus minus b squared minus 4ac, a is root 5, c is root 5, by 2a. So I'll have minus 1 here plus minus, this will be 1 minus root 5 into root 5 will be 5, 5 into 4 will be 20. So this is 1 minus 20 upon 2a, that is 2 root 5. So it will be minus 1 plus minus root 19 iota divided by 2 root 5. So these are the solutions. Solve each of the following equations. First equation can be solved directly because x square is equal to minus 3. That means x will be equal to plus minus square root of minus 3. That is plus minus root 3 iota. In this one, let's find out the discriminant. Discriminant will be b square, that is coefficient of x squared, minus 4 into a. When I am saying b square minus 4ac, I am referring to this form of the quadratic equation, where when I say b squared, I mean coefficient of x squared. When I say a, I mean coefficient of x squared. I hope you are clear with these notations. So b square minus 4ac, that is 1 minus 8, that is minus 7. So discriminant is minus 7. Let me write the solution directly. X equal to minus b plus minus root d, that is root of minus 7 upon 2a, that is 2 into 2. So it is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 7 iota divided by 4. In this one, discriminant is 3 squared minus 4 into 1 into 9. So this is 9 minus 36, that is minus 27. Okay, so the roots are, or the solutions are, x equal to minus b plus minus square root of negative 27 divided by 2 into 1, that is 2. So minus 3 plus minus root 27 iota by 2. You may leave it at that, otherwise you can write root 27 as 3 root 3. Okay. Now in this, discriminant will be equal to b squared minus 4 into a, that is minus 1, and c, that is minus 2. So 1 minus, this is minus minus plus, so it will be 2 into 8, that is 2 into 4, that is 8. So 1 minus 8 is minus 7. Hence the solutions are minus b, that is minus 1, plus minus square root of the discriminant here by 2a, which is minus 1 in this case. So it is minus 1 plus minus square root of 7 iota by minus 2. Okay, you can also write it as 1 minus plus root 7 iota by 2. Okay, so anyways, one of the roots is 1 minus root 7 iota by 2, another root is 1 plus root 7 iota by 2. This is the meaning of writing this. Now in the next question, we will find the discriminant. First of all, discriminant is b squared minus 4ac, that is 9 minus 20, which is minus 11. So the solutions are x equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2, that is minus 3 plus minus root 11 iota upon 2. This is how simple this exercise is, right? In this, the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac, that is 1 minus 8 minus 7. So let us write the solutions here. X is equal to minus b, that is minus of minus 1. So minus b plus minus square root of d divided by 2a. So this is 1. So x will be equal to 1 plus minus root 7 iota by 2. Right? This minus minus plus, then plus minus root 7 iota by 2. In this, what is the discriminant? Discriminant will be b squared minus 4a into c. So it will be equal to 1 minus, this is root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 into 4 is 8. So minus 7. Hence the solution will be minus b, that is minus 1, plus minus square root of discriminant, that is minus 7, divided by 2a. A is root 2. So the solution will be minus 1 plus minus root 7 iota by 2 root 2. Next, discriminant in this case will be b squared, that is minus root 2 squared, minus 4 into a into c, that is 3 root 3. Okay, so it is 2 minus, this will give you root 3 into root 3 will give you 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 4 is 36. So it is minus 34. and the solutions will be minus b, that is minus of minus root 2. So it will be root 2 plus minus square root of minus 34. 2 minus 36 is minus 34 divided by 2a, that is 2 root 3. So it is equal to root 2 plus minus root 34 iota upon 2 root 3. Okay. There may be this answer may be written in another format in some of the books. I don't know about that, but I see it that I can take root 2 outside from the numerator, so I can write it as 1 plus minus root 17 iota here, and then 2 root 3 here. So eventually I can write it as 1 plus minus root 17 iota divided by root 6. This can also be another format of writing the solution, but this is perfectly alright. If you write this is perfectly alright. Now in this one, the discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4a into c. So that is 1 minus, now 4 can be written as 2 into 2, right? So 4 by root 2 can be written as 2 root 2. So this is 1 minus 2 root 2, which is less than 0, right? So how I write the solutions in this case is x equal to minus b plus minus square root of this discriminant by 2a, that is 2. So in iota form I'll write it as minus 1 plus minus, inside the bracket I'll change the sign, 2 root 2 minus 1 and write iota outside divided by 2. How? Because when I got root of minus 3, I write root 3 and then iota outside. So here I have changed 1 minus 2 root 2 to 2 root 2 minus 1 and written iota outside, because 1 minus 2 root 2 is nothing but negative of 2 root 2 minus 1. So I've written this inside and taken negative, this is minus 1, right? So minus 1 square root outside as iota. And this one will give me discriminant equal to 1 by root 2 squared minus 4 into a into c. So it will be 1 by 2 minus 4, that is minus 7 by 2, right? 1 by 2 minus 4 is minus 7 by 2. So I'll get the solutions as minus b, that is minus 1 upon root 2 plus minus square root of minus 7 by 2 divided by 2a. So the solutions will be minus 1 by root 2 plus minus root 7 by 2 iota divided by 2. So I haven't done anything apart from writing square root of minus 1 as iota, right? So the only thing that I did in this exercise, I have written this as iota. Apart from that, I have just applied the quadratic formula, that is this one, and nothing else, right? So this exercise was very simple. I hope you will be able to do it comfortably.